Well, like the heightened attention that this matter is getting in the media, Cabinet made a decision to look holistically at what is the situation at hand. And it is a matter now for stock taking to determine where we are and to really assess and analyze, and then for all the data to be presented to Cabinet for policies decision on the way forward.
Is it a case of perhaps, because I know that there has already been some sort of review of an amount of applications so far, will it be a matter of rescinding those?
No, those were registrations where people enter the office and register as refugees, and they're then passed on to immigration for interviews, and that is at that time that the status is determined whether they would be eligible for refugee or not.
Okay. In terms of the UNHCR, I know that the release specifically mentions Help for Progress, but that is a separate entity from the UNHCR. Will the UNHCR still play a role in the refugee program?
UNHCR is in Belize right now. They do sit in the office for program for Belize, but it is to provide technical assistance to Belize. As you're aware, UNHCR is a very reputable organization, and they have the capacity and expertise, and government is receiving that technical assistance. You may be aware that we've established the Department of Refugee, and so this matter was being attended to by Cabinet, but now is fast-tracked with the appointment of Ms. Mariam Earl as the Director of Refugees. And so we are still relying on UNHCR for that technical assistance in developing the capacity to bring the office to a fully functional office to take on the responsibilities that's provided for under the Refugee Act.
Okay. Now, finally, until there is an analysis, and you said a policy statement by Cabinet, is the program on a sort of hold status?
No, those persons seeking protection can come to the Department of Refugee to look at their status. We'll be receiving those registrations and will be processing in the normal course with the assistance of UNHCR. It's just that government feels at this time that we should take control of that function to as I say, step back, do the stock taking, and look at the way forward so that we can be in compliance with the Convention on Refugees and the requirements of the Refugee Act, and to make sure we do it properly.